So this month's tip of the month, we're going to bring Danielle in, where we've been noticing that people might be getting sick of us, Tim. So we want a guest speaker to come on and give an investment tip of the month.
So her tip of the month this month is the do's and don'ts of getting a mortgage approval. So Danielle, being our mortgage specialist, she does a lot of investment work for us. She's going to go through, her system of do's and don'ts. So take it away, Danielle.
Thank you, Tim and Azad, for the introduction. And Calgary Real Estate Wealth. So investment tip of the month, the do's and don'ts of getting mortgage financing. So first, I thought we'd start off with the do's of getting your mortgage pre-approved and approved. So do get pre-approved always upfront before house hunting, not after. Do send your documents to your broker upfront for review. And do review your approval with your broker to make sure you understand the terms of your financing. And finally, do always tell your broker everything, please. Moving on to the don'ts after you're approved. So after you get that approval, don't hide anything from your broker. Don't go and buy a new car. Please don't quit your job. Don't change your job. Don't go to the brick and spend money on furniture under those do not pay for 1 year cards. Please don't take on any new credit. Don't have your credit pulled again. And don't search around for different rates, different lenders, different brokers, because any discrepancies in the information can red flag your file and result in your approval being canceled. So those are some good tips for when you're approved. Finally, we are going to end with the do's after you're approved. So once you get that approval in hand, do keep your job, do keep your credit balances similar to they are at the time of your approval. Do tell your broker of any changes to your financial situation. Do wait until you get possession and get your keys before making any changes like buying a car, quitting your job, things like that. Do change your address with your financial institution and mail so that you don't miss any bills that could cause credit problems for future investing. Do love your new home and do continue to keep investing in real estate. So if you want any additional information or have any questions about these do's or don'ts, please feel free to reach out to me, Danielle DeMarco at Mortgage Line. Thanks, Tim and Azad.
Yeah, that's awesome, Danielle.
Thanks, Danielle.
And everyone, we wanted to go through this tonight, and we wanted Danielle to spell it out for us, because over the last 20 years, Danielle, you wouldn't believe how many people have got this wrong. So it's crucial that you guys make note of what Danielle's telling everybody out there. Just because we've seen it go sideways, and when it goes sideways, it's not pretty.
Exactly. Share all the information with your broker that you can. We will help you work through it. Don't hide anything. Don't make changes, and it'll be good.
Awesome. If everyone out there liked our investment tip of the month, we actually encourage you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you won't miss a single tip. And there's some really good ones out there.
Yeah, so thanks again, Danielle.